When making adjustments for intonation on the bass clarinet, we can adjust in two places, the neck and the middle if your instrument is not soldered together. For left-hand notes, we'll be pulling out or pushing in at the neck. My neck is in two parts, so if I am sharp, I will make the instrument longer by pulling out the neck and then retightening the screw. If you don't have two parts, you can pull out the neck where it connects at the top joint, as long as your octave or register mechanism is still able to connect. If you're sharp or flat in the right hand, you can pull out the instrument in the middle, and this will make adjustments. Again, if you're sharp, you'll want to pull out, and if you're flat, you're going to want to push in. Some treble notes on the bass clarinet. Your lowest E tends to be flat, and when you add the register key, this middle line B tends to be sharp. So it's a great note to check when you've pulled out in the middle. If you pull out too far, this note is going to be very flat, but again, the B is sharp, so you can't pull out too far. You have to voice it down.